another slice of Macau.
We're in the backstreets of Macau. We're going to be walking towards the temple, which is right over there, and kind of going through these little alleys. Give you a little context of where we are. There's another street called Saudade. Saudade is like longing, which is kind of interesting because down there is where the ocean would be at, and then this also goes up to Camões Park, which is named after a Portuguese poet. But nonetheless, let's go through here to Trave Alley. Beco de Trave. Macau, up on the map. Beco de Trave. Trave means like crossbeam. And there's another street that's not too far away called that like a garden street. I think there was like a forested area, and maybe for some reason this little alley was, I don't know, it's named after a crossbeam anyways, in both Chinese and Portuguese. So I guess when they're creating names, that was a landmark of this particular alley. Anyways, that's what the name is about. Let's just go right down it, and you can see it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's where we're going to be going in a moment. Let's go down here first. So Saudade. So if we were to go all the way down that way, the ocean would be all the way down. There's some buildings kind of blocking it because it's all on reclaimed land. And you have some other little alleys throughout. Carapinha. Sounds like the Brazilian alcohol, but it's actually, and Camões Park is up there. We're gonna go towards Camões Park, but we're gonna do this focus first. Trave. Got all these little balconies all the way up to the top there, which make this kind of interesting. But it goes right up to other balconies too. So this is going to be a relatively small alley, so we're going to try to highlight things around it as well. So the alley itself, I think, ends right there. We'll verify that in a moment. Cool little kind of caged apartments. Okay. So the toy store here. The temple, there's a temple that we're going to be going to in a moment as well. I'll also explain this. These are like little typhoon, the rain flood guards. That right there is for this shrine right here. And then there's a much larger shrine behind us, which is right up there. And I'm just going to do a quick little stroll. I'm kind of looking for that could be our target street, but there's some kind of cool stuff in these alleys. Check that out. They're restoring that. I wonder what that's going to be in the future. You can see all of our style of apartments right there on the balconies with the cages that go out. So okay, so our Beco was quite small. So this has all these electronics. Some of these are kind of used for more for storage. People outright own them without the expenses really. There might be some taxes or something like that, but because of that, sometimes they just use them as storage. They might have a few of them. Let's walk over here. It's actually a coffee shop right here too. There's a shrine all the way down. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our target street, and then we're gonna go up towards Camões Park slightly. Not Camões Park, but there's a shrine, so we're gonna walk there. But in this area, there's some really beautiful buildings, especially like this yellow one right here. And then our street is directly that way, but there's another little Malva Beco. I'm just gonna come over here real quick. So that goes down, and you can see quite a few other types of the same kind of apartment style in this whole area, which is kind of pretty. I find it really pretty. And I've always liked this building right on the corner. So we're gonna go back to our Target Street. Little convenience store right there. Melva. So our Target Street, sometimes I'll see like some older lady right in front of here, sitting outside. Okay, so our Target Street was basically straight ahead. That balcony is kind of amazing, right? Goes all the way around like that. Then that would go down to the waterfront, but this is all reclaimed land, all those buildings over there, but the ocean would have came like somewhere in this area. Then they reclaimed all of this, and then that's like another layer of reclaimed land. Okay. So our Target Street would be this little space here, and all of that would be part of it too. And I just want to go up here a little bit and just kind of show you. Kamoish Park would be straight ahead, but there's a temple up here. So I guess in this video you got to see a small little alley. It's actually just one block, but you got to see some of the other interesting stuff around it. The worm trying to get across there. I don't know if he's gonna make it or not. And then you got all kinds of cool stuff up here. So up there would be the shrine. You have to go all the way up. Galo. Escada do Papel. It's like Escada's like a stairway. Okay, let's just quickly navigate up here. And we'll look down on our alley in a moment as well. Then we have this nice shrine up there. Over here briefly. There you go. And then Kamoish Park would be on the other side of this. Then from over here, you can overlook and we're going to be ending our video probably right here. So our street was that one right in between these ones, and there you go. So this site's the Macau for you. And now you can actually see through these buildings a little bit. The river would be, there's a building in the deep background, that's on the Macau China side, on the other side of the waterway. Okay, let's end it right there.
Travale, another slice of Macau.